Today is Thursday, May 23rd, 2019. We're at St. Michael's Church, 7000 Sheldon Road in Canton. We're currently at a floor cleanout. This is located just to the south of the entryway. You can see there's the entrance into the church. We're going to do a diagnostic televise at this time. There is an issue with this line with a belly, and this is an area that's going to be undergoing a possible renovation. We are going to televise out past the belly, and then as we record coming back, we will actually pause to do some locating and marking. As you can see, this is a 4-inch PVC line. This does head to the south. And as you can see here, we already start to have some water and buildup in the line, basically right here at the cleanout. We are currently running a centering guide, trying to get an assessment of how bad the line is. As you can see, we currently have this visual, and we can hear as we push through the water at this point. Okay, we do have some water running in the far end bathrooms. As you can see, we're almost out 80 feet still. We're currently backed up at this time, or this is still part of the belly. We are going to go ahead at this time, attempt to locate, see if we can possibly find another clean out downstream that we could possibly access. It's hard for us to tell right now how much line is bellied. As you've seen in our video, as we were pushing down, we did have quite a lot of buildup that was sitting in the belly that we tried to work downstream. Whether or not it's went downstream at this point is what we need to figure out. We are losing push from our camera. It does seem that we've changed possibly from 4-inch PVC at our first Y there to 6-inch. Okay, as you can see here, it appears that we finally pushed the buildup. We're going to go back to this point. And as you can see, we've finally moved somewhat downstream. We are going to see if we can push past this to get an assessment if this area holds water as well, or again, if it's just due to everything that we pushed that was through the belly at this point. Okay, as you can see, this is about as far as we can push. You see we are picking up a little bit bigger water flow at this point. We are going to locate this area right here. And then at this point, we will go ahead and pull back and continue to record. As you can see, it looks like the drain itself is flushed down. Okay, this area is actually located outside of the building, outside of the pastoral offices. We are going to go ahead and continue to run the bathrooms. We are going to start pulling back. We're going to try and see if we can isolate the area. As you can see from this point on, pretty much we are underwater. I'm going to try and push back to the area that is outside of the building and see if we can actually locate that and put a mark there. That very well could be a starting point. Okay, we have located this. This is currently located outside of the building. This is located just about under an air conditioner. Outside of the pastoral office. We are going to go ahead at this time. We are going to pull back and we will continue to record and also locate. Okay, we are going to locate this change of direction. Okay, we have located this now is currently just right under the wall of the building. This is coming back into the building at this point. We are going to continue to pull back. We will locate our next change of direction, which is possibly identified with a floor cleanout. Again, we are running a centering guide, and you can see this is holding more than half a pipe of water. As you see here, this is a Y. We do believe that this is located at the floor cleanout. And as you can see, we do have water that's currently holding, going back towards what we believe is the bathrooms. We will go ahead and locate this. Okay, we've marked this Y. It's still in the pastoral office. We are going to go ahead and continue to pull back at this point. There is a possibility. There are lines that are tied into this. There is a kitchen. And also there is possibly a bathroom. We're indicating the pipe to be in down approximately 4.5 feet. Okay, as you see here, we do have a lot of debris that still lays in the line. We are going to go ahead and locate this change of direction. Okay, as you can see, this is an offset in the piping. This is in the office. It backs right up to where there's a small single bowl sink. As you can still see, we do hold a bit of water through here, approximately about half a pipe. We believe this to be 4-inch PVC. And you can see there's a lot of buildup on this piping. Okay, as you can see here, we have a offset just before a Y. We are going to locate this. This appears it would be close to a starting point. Okay, we are going to pull back here. We are going to show this Y. As you see, this is a 4-inch Y coming off the 12 o'clock position. This is located in a closet that's right next to the small sink. We are going to continue to pull back.